Get into a car with value. 2018 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 120,000 miles on the odometer. The Trax delivers the functionality of a compact SUV, technology that keeps you connected and safe, flexible cargo space, efficiency, and a sense of fun. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Feel light and nimble in the city-savvy Trax. Come in for a test drive today.